Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Noel with Team How. In this video I want to show you guys how you can earn up to $680 in 1 hour watching videos. That's right guys, all you're doing is watching videos, okay, to make money online. So before we begin, I would just like to invite everyone, if you're not already a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave a like, comment, and share. Okay, guys? And if you're very interested in learning how to make money online, leave a comment below saying, yes, I'm interested. Okay, guys? Now, let's begin. And first of all, again, I'll be showing you three different websites that you can get paid from. Okay, guys? Just by watching videos. So, let's begin right now. The first website I want to show you guys is called UserZoom. Okay guys, at userzoom.com. Now this website, as you can see, this website UserZoom is a testing platform that you can watch videos and make money. It's amazing guys, it's totally amazing. And right now a lot of big companies have also partnered with UserZoom because they realize that it's a very great company and it's just amazing guys. It pays a lot of money just to watch videos and everything like that. Insights for every stage of the product development cycle. So this is basically the cycle guys. You discover the video, you validate it, and you measure it. Okay, so discover, understand user needs before building a new product or service. Validate rapidly, validate and optimize design concepts and prototype. Measure, quantify your digital experience and benchmark against competitors. Why choose UserZoom? So as you guys can see here, this is amazing platform guys. It pays to just watch videos and participate in all of that, and you get your payments very fast. I really like this platform, and from Google partners with it guys, you know that it's something that's taking off. Google is a very big company. Every one of us basically uses Google. Oracle is also a big company. Kimberly Clark, Boss, you get me guys. So it's a very good company, and if you want to join it, all you have to do is go ahead up to the top here and click join our panel, and it will take you to this page. Your opinion matters. Get paid to share your experiences and make an impact on products and you love and care about. You see that guys? So here's the main perks of it. Get paid quickly and easily. Saving up for something or looking for that bit of extra spending money. Join the people all over the world making additional income by sharing their experiences guys. Sharing your experiences, you'll make a great deal of additional money. Influence product experience. Make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use today by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve those products. So you'll be watching the videos, sharing your experience, giving your feedback, but you have to give a honest feedback guys, because that's what they are paying you for your honest feedback. It doesn't matter if it's good, if it's bad, as long as it is your honest feedback. Do it in your own spare time. Okay guys, got 15 to 20 minutes. I know that all of us got at least 15 or 20 minutes guys. A lot of us work 8-hour jobs, 10-hour jobs. I used to work a 10-hour job guys. That was years ago. I used to work that, so I understand a lot of us have those jobs, but we can spare at least 15 to 20 minutes before we go to bed at night. We can lose a little sleep for this guys. It's good money. We can lose a little sleep for it. Okay, giving feedback is easy. Participate in studies remotely on your schedule from your home or on the go using your own device. So you can also use mobile phones to do the reviews guys. Okay guys, so it's very simple, very easy. Give feedback, get paid. If you have any questions, they have a lot of questions here that can be answered. Okay guys, so it's a very great platform. I highly recommend it. IntelliZoom. Okay guys, it's a very great website. Now let's move on to the next one. And the next one here is Enroll, the Enroll app guys. It's very simple. Let's make the web a better place. Be heard, not part of the herd. Okay, guys? So basically, it's very straightforward. Be the first. See what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen. So as soon as a company comes out with a new app, a new development, guys, you'll be the first one to see it, the first one to test it out and give your feedback on that, okay? Take test anywhere. Addicted to your phone or tablet? Fear not. You can take user test on any device, phones, tablets, desktop, whatever you prefer, guys. So it doesn't matter if you're already on your phone every day on that social media that doesn't pay you really, and or doing anything on your phone. A lot of us are addicted to phones nowadays, guys, and this is a good way to stay addicted to your phone and make a good money from your phone. Okay, guys? Earn rewards, collect badges, collect badges. Hold on. All right, sorry about that, guys. I received a phone call. So back to where we were. Earn rewards, collect badges to show off to your friends, and get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. Okay, guys. So they pay through PayPal and they pay very, very frequently. So it's also worldwide, as you can see here. Change the web. It's worldwide. Be a part of the internet's next revolution. Help good ideas happen, make suggestions, and stop bad ones in their tracks. Okay, guys? Over 600 tests have already been taken and counting. Enroll today and make the web a better place. So it's very straightforward, guys. It pays a good amount of money. You can do this on your spare time with your mobile device or your computer, and it's very simple. But as promised, we have 3 of them to show you, so let's move on to the other one. So here we have UserLytx, and guys, UserLytx is one of the best paid ones on here. They pay up to $90 an hour, guys. This website, they pay up to $90 an hour, so this one is one of the best. There's no other one that's paying you up to $90 an hour. Okay, and all you have to do is watch videos and participate in this in not surveys, but participate in making suggestions on the products that they have and stuff like that. Okay, so you all you'll be doing is giving insights basically. As you can see here how it works, select your target persona, define goals, tasks, and questions, get instant feedback. Alright, guys, so you can come in here and look at the sample videos. As you can see, Google has also partnered with them. Philips, L'Oreal, Microsoft. Oh gosh, guys, this is a big company. American Airlines, the Washington Post, Children International, guys. All of these companies that has partnered with it are big international companies. So just imagine that. So what I would really recommend this for you guys to try this UserLytx. There's not much to say about it. You can just come on the website and look through the promo video, the schedule a demo, stuff like that, and just sign up. Okay, guys, that's all you have to do, sign up. So if this video helped you in any way, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment below if saying this video helped, and I would really appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up. If you did give the video a thumbs up, then also comment I love the video, or I like the video, or this video was helpful, or something, guys. I would really appreciate it. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.